After receiving my Galaxy S21 Ultra, I decided to also add on the brand new Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the flagship that was released in 2021, but I tried to look for a phone that can be able to record my YouTube videos. I chose the Galaxy S21 Ultra because of its unique features, because of its unique appearance, because of its premium ultra features. So let us do the unboxing of this brand new S21 Ultra. This is how the box looked like when I tried to open it. It was so nice, was sealed with the old Samsung double seals. So there is the cutting I removed. I also got it with two chargers, but this is the full package of the charger I received. As you can see, it's a really nice 25 watts charger. Since the S21 Ultra also supports so fast charging, so I tried to get that 25 watts charger. So this is the device, this is how it is. We are in 2024, but I did the unboxing. This is how the phone looks like. That is 4 years back. So this is the brand new S21 Ultra. We had a few things that both have the user manual. Some of the things will come with the brand new S24 Ultra. So we have the Type C to Type C cable. This is the original one. Well, it looks very nice. We have a few things in the box. We also had the a user manual. We also had the nothing much in the box, but that's all. So this is the device. It's very nice. It is covered. Remember, it came with that camera bump, the prettiest camera bump you can find on a smartphone. It was really nice before they switched to the latest camera bump on the S22s and the S23, and then the current or latest S24 Ultra. So this is the nice looking. It was the had with the latest matte finish. It was so nice. So I just received this phone, and we are going to do the comparisons with the S24 Ultra with other phones I received. So this is the charger, the 25 watts. This is the original charger from Samsung. It is also nice. It can support fast charging, but doesn't go up to a super fast charging as it is on the S24 Ultra. But this will work since this is my phone for videos. I'm going to use to record my YouTube videos. It will be helpful. So there it is. The phone itself was so heavy as it was in the past. So that's it, guys. I just enjoyed using these phones. I'm a Samsung user, I'm a Samsung fan, so you're going to see how it will record my YouTube videos as I do the unboxing.